Last night was amazing. But today we are back on the little side quest. Yes, the beauty studio slash makeup room filming place for me and all my fashion and beauty videos to come. Because yesterday on Trade Me, I entered an auction for a white desk vanity table. And I thought, oh, I'm just gonna take a chance. And I won it, guys. But just guess for how much. Okay, are you done guessing? $18. Yes, 1-8. That's literally like 2 coffees. We can't even get the McDonald's for 19. Oh, so exciting. And we are going to pick it up now. Ooh, it was a tight squeeze. Very tight, but it made it. Just look at this. Oh, I can't believe this was just $18. What a score. Step 1 of this beauty studio makeover is done. I mean, it was such a mission to get a table. Next, we just need to sort out this little storage area and then get a mirror. And this can finally start turning into a beauty studio, filming studio, fashion studio, pole studio. You know, it's gonna be a all-in-one whole Carmen on a Journey space with a whole lot of different options. Just like my content. So stay tuned for the transformation.